What's going on? It's Thompson RC. You know, I figured that I'll let y'all in on a little project I've been working on for when the springtime is here. Itching to try this. So it's an A scale mad drift exceed mad drift. They the drift car, but I don't do too much drifting, so I haven't even got a chance to power it up yet. So as soon as I got it, I'll just start working on it. Go ahead and take off the shell. We'll see. I'm gonna take it off the stand. Hold on for a second. Alright, let's see what we got here. So let's go ahead and take off the body for you. It's coming along. It's almost there. So we went ahead and took off those drift wheels. Got it set up with some foams. I've already treated them. I'm just waiting to break them in yet. I'm gonna start off with the see what I can do for speed runs with the stock motor still. I'm still be running a stock motor. That's a 540, 2150 kV. I did have to mod the chassis to get the pinion to work, but it's in there. Nice and snug. It's in there. Mesh is perfect. Just how I like it. Change over to a little 120 amp for right now, if need be. I mean, I'm just gonna run it like this and get some baseline numbers off of it. Made a custom weight for the front. Hold on, I'll pop that out of there. So I had some old brake pads in the garage. I still gotta paint this, and then so I just glued them together. It's just that extra weight, because I mean I'm planning on getting up there on some speeds. I'm trying. I'd rather keep it down on the ground rather than fly up on me. So, but we're still gonna lower it a little bit more. Yeah, let's figure I'll let y'all in on this one. I haven't even got to power it up yet. Went straight from the box to getting it ready for the spring and summer. Oh, I can't wait though. This one gonna be fun. This one gonna be fun. Throw the body back on for me. And I'm gonna get a speed run body. This body just gonna be for fun. But I'm gonna make this be hopefully get some serious numbers in there. Some triple digits. Those are my goals. I want to get triple digits with this chassis. Let's see what we can do with it. All right, Thompson RC signing out. Like, comment, subscribe. Holla back.